SSD upgrade, and RAM upgrade on Acer Aspire ES1-132 laptop. Thank you, Sir Glenn, for trusting PETIT Solutions. Operating the SSD and RAM on a laptop is an excellent choice, especially if you're looking to boost performance, extend the device's lifespan, and improve overall functionality. Both of these upgrades can dramatically enhance the speed and responsiveness of your laptop, making it feel almost like a new machine without the need for a costly replacement. These two upgrades are cost-effective ways to breathe new life into an older laptop, providing substantial improvements in performance and usability. By upgrading both the SSD and RAM, you ensure your laptop remains fast, responsive, and capable of handling current and future workloads, making it a smart investment for any user looking to optimize their device's performance without purchasing a new one. SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.